President Biden set to address the nation later today on his administration's latest vaccine efforts. Of course, this is coming as the number of COVID cases and hospitalizations and deaths continues to rise.
The White House response team reports 90 million eligible Americans remain unvaccinated. Our Washington correspondent Jesse Tenor joins us live with those details. Jesse, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Liz and Bill. The team did just announce that now 70% of adult Americans have had at least one shot, but that does fall about a month behind President Biden's goal. Still, though, officials say that it is a major step forward in reaching herd immunity, but the country still has a long way to go as that Delta variant continues to spread.
While we desperately want to be done with this pandemic, COVID-19 is clearly not done with us.
That's why CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky stands by her agency's new masking recommendations.
If you are in an area of substantial or high transmission, please wear a mask in public indoor settings, regardless of your vaccination status.
And Walensky continues to urge Americans to get vaccinated as the ultimate protection against current outbreaks.
Our vaccines are working to prevent severe illness, hospitalization, and death.
The White House COVID-19 response team reports daily vaccination rates have now more than doubled in states with the highest case rates.
Americans are seeing the risk and impact of being unvaccinated and responding with action.
Response coordinator Jeff Zients says the Biden administration continues to help states offer vaccine incentives, like a tax credit to small and medium-sized businesses for paid time off and $100 to anyone who gets fully vaccinated.
If financial incentives like these help us get more shots in arms, we should use them.
Zients notes both the public and private sectors are also implementing more vaccine requirements. But he did not say how far the White House was willing to go to turn up the pressure on the unvaccinated.
You're going to see a continued increase in vaccination requirements as people bring employees back to work.
And as more start returning to the classroom, the CDC also continues to recommend that anyone over the age of 12 get vaccinated and all students and staff to wear masks in school. Live in Washington, I'm Jesse Tenor. Back to you.
Yeah, and Jesse, while some Americans still haven't received their first shot, some are already getting a third booster shot from their doctors. Has the CDC or White House offered any new guidance on that?
The CDC director, Dr. Walensky, did weigh in on that just yesterday, and she said that the CDC is not recommending that right now, even though doctors at the local level are offering that as an option. But she did say that her agency is starting to track that as much as possible since states have different reporting requirements. And so the CDC is hoping to at least gather more data on that.
All right, Jesse, we appreciate the update. And of course, we know here in our area, we've been talking about the mask mandates in schools. Thank you so much.